Question number 20. Find the variance of x plus 2, comma, x minus 4, comma, x plus 8, and x minus 2. Should find the variance. This question comes from statistics, specifically statistics that has to do with measure of dispersion, not measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion. So now variance, the formula for variance is what? Summation of what? X minus x bar raised to the power of 2 divided by n. Where x bar is what? The mean. Or you call it average. You know what it means to find average of numbers. If you have 3, 2, 3, and you find the average, that means you add the numbers divided by how many they are. That's 3. And that will give you 8/3. So 8/3 is the average. So that's what mean means. Okay. So let's do this. So the first step we're gonna do is to find the mean. From there, we find the deviation. Deviation means how each of these items deviates from the average. Then n means number of items there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. So we'll go straight doing that. The first thing we do is to find the mean. So the mean x bar equals to, you add all these together. So that would be x plus 2 plus x minus 4 plus x plus 8 plus x minus 2. Now everything divided by how many they are? There are 4 in number. So this is x plus 2 plus x minus 4 plus x plus 8 plus x minus 2. Everything divided by 4. So you add all the x's together and add all the constant terms together. So if you add all the x's, there are 1, 2, 3, 4x. So that will be 4x here. Now you add all the constant, that's 2 minus 4, that's minus 2. Minus 2 plus 8, that's plus 6. Minus 2, that's 4 plus 4 divided by 4. In the numerator here, you factor out 4. That will be 4 into x plus 1 divided by 4. 4 will cancel 4. So therefore, the mean x bar equals to what? X plus 1. So finding the mean is the first step. So the next step is we're going to find the deviation, how each of these items deviate from the mean. But before we do that, we have to rule a table. We have to create a table for this so that we won't make mistakes. Okay, I've drawn my table. Further explain this. So here is each of the item, x plus 2, that. And here is the deviation. Deviation means what? The item minus the mean. Okay. So here is the square of the deviation. You remember the formula of our variance, it will need a square. Okay, so let's move on straight. So for this x plus 2, the deviation here will be this item, which is x plus 2 minus the mean. Plus 2 minus the mean. Minus the mean, which is what? X plus 1. And that will be x plus 2 minus x minus 1. And that will be x minus x minus x will go, that will give you 1. So here will be 1. Okay. So if we continue to do that, If we continue to do that, so this one minus this, that's x minus 4 minus this. X will disappear. You'll be having minus 4 minus 1, that's minus 5 here. And here you will x minus x will go 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 will give you 7. And then here x minus x will go minus 2 minus 1 will give you minus 3. All right. So if you square each of these items here, this is the square of the deviation. Here will be 1. Here will be 25. Here will be 49. And here will be 9. And the summation of x minus x bar squared, the summation equals to, if we add all this together, this 1 plus that's, okay, let me say 1 plus 49, that's 50, plus 25, that's 75, plus 9, that is 75 plus 9, that is 84. That is what? 84. So our variance, which is summation of x minus x bar squared divided by 4, and divided by n, sorry, in which our n is 4, will be 84 divided by 4, which equals to 21, and that's our option A. So the variance of this statistic is 21. So this is how to do this one.